one of my many vegan-related Christmas presents. Thank you, Anna.
Hey everyone, it's Adam here from Vegan Food and Fitness. Welcome to a brand new recipe video. My channel is dedicated to sharing new plant-based recipes for brand new vegans and existing vegans as well. Today I'm really excited because I'm sharing with you this delicious vegetable moussaka recipe. It's really creamy, it's got a lovely cinnamon taste to it, and it's just really warming as well. The recipe is great if you're brand new to vegan and plant-based cooking. It's really simple and straightforward. But even if you're not new and you just want to maybe increase your list of existing plant-based recipes, then this one's definitely for you as well. Stay tuned till the end, where I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious white bechamel sauce that again is completely vegan. So most of these ingredients you'll probably already have in, apart from the aubergine. You'll probably have to buy an aubergine. In my opinion, it actually tastes better the next day, which I have no idea why. Let me know in the comments below why you think that might be. And don't forget to subscribe as well, so you don't miss any of my future plant-based recipes. So let's get started.
So these are pretty much the ingredients that we're going to be using. Firstly, we're going to start with the aubergine. I'm going to slice that vertically. That's going to be grilled for about 15 minutes or so, and we're going to turn it halfway. Then it's important to soften the vegetables. So the onion, the courgette, the red pepper, they're all going to go in first. And once they're softened, I'm basically just going to add the remaining ingredients. Now, the only thing that's not here is, of course, the white sauce. Now, if you didn't want to make the white sauce and you wanted to take a shortcut, the best thing that you can get is creme fraiche. And now you can get vegan creme fraiche in most supermarkets. But this Worcester sauce is also vegan friendly. So once everything's been cooked, we're then just going to assemble, put it all in a bowl along with the aubergine slices on top, and then basically just pour over the white sauce along with some vegan cheese, and then it just goes back into the oven and bakes, and that's pretty much it. Do you want food, darling? Oh, sweetheart, do you want some food?
So the main saucepan ingredients have been simmering for about 10 minutes. So there's about 10 minutes left. I'm gonna make the plant-based bechamel sauce. So I'm using a dairy-free butter, plant-based milk, plain flour. So regarding the plant-based milk, it's up to you which type you use. The only one I would say to avoid would be coconut milk, because that's going to change the flavor. Try to get one which doesn't have any additional sugars. I'm using an almond milk with no added sugar, just because I want to be able to control how much sweetness I add to the dish. To make a white sauce, it is really straightforward. I'm going to show you exactly how it's broken down. These are ingredients that you're probably going to have in the fridge and in stock anyway, so it's definitely worth learning to make one yourself. So the final dish is ready. Here it is. This really delicious looking vegan moussaka. The white sauce looks incredibly like creamy. The vegan cheese on top has melted really nicely too. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying this because I feel like I've been in this kitchen for ages and I'm absolutely starving, and I'm gonna just grab a fork, try some out. It just shows that you can make pretty much any dish vegan. You know, I veganized the bechamel sauce and I used a plant-based milk instead, dairy-free butter, and it's made absolutely no difference to the taste, the creaminess, and it's just a really, really lovely, hearty dish. You know, you just cannot go wrong really with this. So that's it for this video. If you like the look of this recipe, please hit that like button just below. Also, let me know in the comments what dishes you'd like to see me put on the channel next. I'd really be interested in your feedback on that. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my delicious plant-based recipes. I will see you all very soon. Take care, bye-bye. You're gonna do your percussion. Oh yes, very good. Another Christmas present? I think that looks pretty good. Thank you, sister-in-law.